In this guide, you will learn how to give someone access to your Shopify store. First, launch your Shopify app. Next up, ensure that your Shopify plan supports multiple users. Some plans do not include this feature, so it's important to verify that your plan allows you to add users. After you confirm this, navigate to Settings. Now head over to the option Users. Click on Add Users. Next, you will need to enter the email address of the person you want to grant access to. After entering their email, you will need to assign them a role. The highest role you can assign is Administrator, which grants full access and permissions similar to your own. If you want to give them more limited access, you can assign them roles such as App Developer, Online Store Editor, Customer Support, or Marketer, depending on the level of access you want them to have. Additionally, you can choose whether to enable two-factor authentication for security, though this is optional. Once you have entered all the details and selected the appropriate role and permissions, click Save. The person you have added will then be able to log into their own Shopify account and they will have the access you have granted to your store. That's it for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.